Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about tech stacks behind Shandy Notes. Few days ago I uploaded one video in which I was talking about a platform called Shandy Notes. I hope you have seen that video. If you haven't seen, make sure to see that first, then come back towards this video because I'm going to explain the technology that I've used to build that whole platform. And not only that, I'm going to talk about the expenses that I have spent on that and a lot of things about this platform and why I'm sharing this to you. So I'm sharing this to you so that you guys can know how much it costs to build a platform, how much hard work it took to build this, and what could be the possible challenges you will face when you will build a platform. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start. So you already might be knowing what the Shandy Notes is. Basically, it's a platform for notes where you can find bunch of notes in a lot of categories for your academics, for competitive exams, etc. So for any platform, you already know that you require front-end task and back-end task, and for front-end there are a lot of technologies and for back-end there are a lot of technologies. So for this platform, for front-end, I have used Flutter. Flutter, you might be knowing, it's a cross-platform framework that is being used from last 3 to 4 years to build beautiful UIs for Android, iOS, even web, and even nowadays you can build desktop app with this Flutter. Flutter is very good framework to build beautiful UIs, which is from Google, so I have used that. And for backend, I have used Apprite. Apprite is a BaaS backend as a service. There are a lot of BaaS in the market, a lot of platforms are there. What this BaaS means, so basically these are some modern platforms which provide all functionalities of backend like authentication, databases, storage, real-time messaging, etc. There are a lot of BaaS available in the market like Firebase, Subabase. So these are technologies. For front end I have used Flutter, and for back end I have used a BaaS called Apprite. And now let's talk about deployment and hosting. So to deploy this platform, I have used GitHub Pages. On GitHub there is one feature, GitHub Pages, where we can deploy websites for free. And to deploy your platform, there are also some other alternate options like Netlify, Vercel, but I have deployed on GitHub Pages because I have experience on that. So I thought to deploy there, so I deployed that on GitHub Pages. Now let's talk about the cost that cost me to build this platform. So see, for front end, as you know, Flutter is totally for free, so you can use this framework to build anything for free. And in backend side, as I said earlier, I have used Apprite, which is at some extent free, but after a certain limit I'll have to pay around $15 per month. But as of now I haven't paid for this backend because they already have given me some credits by which I can use their resources for some extent, but after certain time, certain reach, I'll have to pay. And there is a model, pay as you go, means whatever amount of resources you will use, you have to pay like that. Its charges will totally depend upon your uses, how much you are using its resource. And for deployment and hosting, as I said earlier, I have deployed on GitHub Pages, which is also totally for free. At certain extent this hosting can handle every traffic, and as of now it is working very fine. And now let's talk about domain. So yeah, for domain I have paid this domain shandynotes.com. This cost me around $1200 per year. I have paid $1200 for this domain name. So as of now, to build this whole platform, I just paid this $1200. And also one thing, which is a t-shirt. For this platform I designed one t-shirt where I pasted a logo, and that t-shirt cost me around $600. There is one platform called bewakoof.com. From there you can design or order your custom printed t-shirts. So I had ordered that, you might have seen in a lot of posts. So that cost me around $600. As of now I have spent this domain name cost, which is $1200, and that t-shirt costs $600. But despite of that, we have done, means me and my team, there are people like Avinav, Manishka, Aftab, Shubham, and there is one more guy, Altaf. Whenever I stuck at any point, I just go and discuss with him. So we guys have done a lot of hard work and research, and still doing. From last 3 to 4 months we were working on this. The website right now that you might have seen is not the first version. It's I think 4th or 5th version, because whenever we build, a lot of bugs used to come, and one by one we guys used to fix it. And still it is not so completed. Later on there will be some enhanced version also. We will put some updates, we will update some features as per our observation and feedback from users. So from 3 to 4 months we were working on this platform, doing meetings on every Sunday to discuss about this platform, what to do, what not to do, what should be there, what should not be there. And this whole thing we guys were enjoying a lot, because you know, when you will go to build something from scratch to fully finished, you will go deep in every portion of your work. Initially when we were building it, we were like, oh, we'll have to build logo, we have to build this theme for this our website. No, button color should not be like that, and even we have to build a platform t-shirt for us. These all things we enjoyed a lot. This was totally a great experience for us. Also working with team, and the people with whom you are working, they are very talented and very hardworking. They all are giving their best. On this platform we have built a database where we have kept a lot of notes, and not only that, we have built a search engine also called Sugal, you might have seen, where you can get any type of note by searching through it. So yeah, this is all about behind this platform, the technology we have used, the cost, the hard work, everything I told you. So that's it for this video. I should wrap up this video here, and I hope this video was informative to you. I hope now you know that what it costs to build a platform. And if you want to say anything to me, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to see your comment there. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.